Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos. As I upload my new videos on every Sunday, so you'll get something new to see every Sunday. So my today's video is on DIY keychain. Yes, today we are going to make a keychain by using hot glue gun. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Enjoyed the video and you are going to try it, and if you try it, then don't forget to share pictures with me on Instagram and Snapchat or Facebook. Links are given in the description box, and don't forget to give big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and if you have subscribed, then don't forget to click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a video. That's it. Bye bye.